Welcome to With the Farmer. On this video, I journey to Ikenne town to meet with John, a maize farmer. Maize is the third largest grain consumed in the world. Maize is commonly planted during the rainy season in the southwest Nigeria. John is a farmer that specializes on maize farming. On this video, I talk with John to know how maize is profitable and if it is advisable to go into the business. So good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
You are the owner of this big farm.
Yeah, it's just like a small farm too, but it's just one of my farm.
Wow. So how many hectares is this farm now?
The whole area of the land is 2.2.
2.2 hectares. So that's more than 5 acres of land.
Yeah, it's more than that.
Ah, wow. So how many days will you use to plant this farm now?
We are finishing the planting
Today? Wow. So how lucrative is maize farming, and how can you advise people that you are, especially young guys that want to come to maize farming?
Maize farming is a very good. That's I can advise someone to go into it because it's profitable and it's more reliable, unlike cassavas and likes.
Okay, like other
Because on maize farm, most especially we are using it on grains, like want to get it for seed. So the best aspect, the best month to plant it should be around late of August to early September. So by then I think you can make your money out of it. But now that I'm planting it, being May ending up, so I just wanted to use it for green. Let me say wet maize, wet maize for sale.
Okay, please, your name once again.
My name is John.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate for giving us the opportunity to come and experience this vast land. We will come back again as we try and monitor the growth of the farm, at least to see how it's going. I'll be glad to come back in next 2 weeks, 1 month, and when you are about to harvesting it. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, bros. Welcome.